will be hilarious. Put it on YouTube. Okay. There we go.
Oh, it's leaking a lot.
That's fine. It's not leaking.
Turn it off.
Okay, it's fine. It's fine. I know it's leaking.
We need that towel up here.
Wait.
Is it leaking?
It's leaking somewhere. Yep, it's leaking somewhere here.
Where? The black thing?
Yep, the hose has a fucking break in it.
It does?
Yep, there's a break in the hose. Okay. Okay. Cool.
How do you seal that?
I'll have to get a new one of these.
Okay.
Yep. Motherfucker.
So that's what it was.
Yeah. Wow. Okay, you stay there.
Yep.
I'm just gonna jam this in here.
So I think it was clogged, but I think the hose was broken too.
Yeah.
It's hard to tell. I
I
wonder
know.
if you could repair it.
No. Let's get a new one. So drain this here. Fucking asshole. Unreal.
So you know, kind of smells.
Yeah. It does.
Where do you get the hoses from?
I don't know yet. Fuck off. Okay.
It's okay, at least you know. So smart.
Yeah,
You
this
know?
is the only way to win.
Well, yeah, so it's good.
Okay. Okay. Can I let go of this now? We're good here. Need more paint towels.
I wonder how hard it would have one.
No, this is too specific. Okay. Well, babe, we're winning a little bit.
Yeah, you know, right?
Yeah.
Good for you. I'm proud of you.
Holy fuck.
It's all good. Nothing happened. We did all the right
I know. I know. Can you get me a garbage can?
Yeah.
And then more